Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, as you can see, I am all ready to clean my carpet here. I have never cleaned my carpet before, and I own two dogs, and I've always vacuumed, of course, but not like carpet cleaning, like liquid cleaning stuff, right? So I just got my BISSELL ProHeat 2 times that dries in 30 minutes cleaner yesterday, and yeah, so I'm about to clean this room first, and let's see. I think I had earlier cleaned a section here, and it pretty much dried really fast. So I think I'm impressed with the drying part. But yeah, all right, let me get started with this here, and then we'll come back. Okay, this is the output. I still have a little space to cover here, but it started making some weird sounds, so I think it was saying that it's kind of full. So I'm gonna be cleaning up this tank and also the little area, and maybe I'll continue with other rooms. Not sure, let's see, but I'm gonna finish this room today. But yeah, I'm pretty satisfied with the product. I think it's very gross, but yeah, I'm gonna be cleaning maybe every month going forward. Let's see. This is how much I have pulled from cleaning one room. We can say like 75% because the bed, I couldn't move the bed. And this room almost 50%, right? So it starts making noise, like because there's a kind of noise. I don't know what that is. I think it's signaling that it's quite full, so you gotta clean this thing here, right? So I think I'm gonna get a lot of hair and all that stuff, so I'm gonna go and clean this and come back and clean the rest, okay? Hey guys, I just thought of coming back here and giving a quick update on the dryness. So it's been almost 5 hours, I would say. Yeah, 6 hours actually, and most of the part is pretty dry. So I'm pretty actually happy with the vacuum cleaner. It feels really clean, and also it hasn't completely dried up, but it's like, I would say 85% dry. Yeah. All right, thanks for watching. We'll keep you guys updated.